Deep within the Imperial Palace are the dark cells of Terra. For thousands of years, each of these cells has contained a dreadful entity or artifact, such as the technological horrors from the Dark Age of technology, when science was unbridled, and supposedly each of these artifacts has the power to decimate the Imperium. It has been the solemn duty of the Shadow Keepers, a shield host from the Adeptus Custodes, to watch over the cells. However, after the opening of the Great Rift, it was discovered that many of the cells were empty. And so to recover the artifacts and stop them falling into evil hands, the Shadow Keepers have been striding through the galaxy in numbers not seen since the Horus Heresy. The Master Jailer and Shield Captain of the Shadow Keepers is known as the Lock Warden. He must be fervent when hunting down these relics, and to this end in the game he would ignore the invulnerable saves of characters.